respected sisters, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. We, the students of class 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are here on this Diwali to invite you to illuminate the diya of hope in order to eradicate the sufferings of this world. To pray that we may be freed from all viruses, hatred, discrimination, violence, criminal activities, and welcome peace, joy, harmony and brotherhood. Thank you.
Rockets vanish with coronavirus, we were not able to celebrate any festivals, but we can celebrate Diwali with some precautions.
Oh, yes, we can wear a mask and maintain social distancing while playing with crackers.
Hello kids, take some juices. So kids, what were you talking about? Were you talking about Diwali? Children, Diwali does not only mean playing with crackers, making rangoli and preparing sweets. It means lighting someone other's life. Actually children, many people have lost their jobs due to coronavirus. They don't have enough money to light single diyas also. So this year we should help them by lighting diyas in their life. That is giving happiness to others is the real meaning of Diwali. Yes, we will distribute sweets to people who really need it and make this Diwali a special Diwali. Happy Diwali!
So, what did you learn from the skit? We learned that Diwali is not only playing with crackers or eating sweets, it is bringing happiness and hope in others' lives. So, what are we waiting for? Let us all take a pledge today. On this auspicious occasion of Diwali, I pledge to gift a joy of light to all who have lost hope in this pandemic. Let us fill at least one family with the light of hope so that they may be happy and content. Let us be the messengers of peace, joy, and hope and contribute our little share in making our world a better place to live in. Have a happy and safe Diwali.
Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true. Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world. Light a candle for me, light a candle for you, that our wish for world peace will one day come true.
आओ हम सब मिलकर ऐसे दीप जलाएं, रह न जाए कहीं घोर निराशा, सुख के बादल ही लहराएं। अमन शांति के दीप जलाकर बस खुशियां ही फैलाएं।
Let's pray. God, our friend, mother and father, may you be praised in your diversity of names and forms by the whole universe. May we experience a world guided by your values of justice, fraternity, equality, freedom, peace, hope, and love.
May your will be the motive force of all our dreams and actions. Give us our daily food for body, mind, and soul. Strengthen us to forget and forgive without counting the cost.
Forgive us our offenses as we forgive those who offended us in the past. Bless all those who offend us now with your peace.
Strengthen us always to stand for truth without fear and to walk in the path of light with hope, trust, optimism, and creativity. Protect us from all evil forces and liberate us from hatred, despair, and depression. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
और चारू मेर हुई झिलमिलाट के आया मारा पावना के स्वागत करावे हिसाब। सजनी राहे मंगल गावे मन उपजी फुलवारी रे साजे गाजे बाजे गूंजे सपनों री रे किलकारी रे वन उपवन अभिनंदन करता छाई घटा भरी नारी रे शक्कर भांको झांकी झांको हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे मन हर जाओ धन बरसाओ धन सुखवाड़ो जी रे।
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे खुशियों संगे लावी हर घाए हयो हाय हाय रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर घाए हयो हाय हाय आशानी किरणों बिखराए उमंग भी छलकाते मन हड़वे थी गुनगुनाए हाय 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 हाय।
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई। हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई। ख्वाबों के बीज कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई।
रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ जे लावी ओ लावी ओ लावी।
Hello friends, welcome to Anaya's kitchen. I am making cake buns for my friends. So let's get started. We're using a Britannia cake, ice cream, jams, chocos, and chocolate balls, and our favorite Hershey's syrup. There are two easy steps. First, we put the ice cream layer on all the cakes like this. Second, you decorate it according to your choice. Since this time we are celebrating Pandemic Diwali, let's see what my friends are doing at home.
of prosperity. Fire a flower pot of happiness. Diwali is a symbol of hope for humankind. May it bring universal compassion, inner joy of peace, love, and awareness to all.
There are darknesses in life and there are lights, and you are one of the lights, the light of all lights. So celebrate Diwali, but don't spoil the environment and beauty of nature. Give a clean environment to future generations, not a polluted one.
Let's pledge to the light of environment with diyas and candles, not with fumes of cracker. Make Diwali a happy Diwali, not sad Diwali. Happy Diwali to all of you.
If you want to become a great person in the world, spend your life like a Diwali diya. Pass on your light into the world and bring a smile on everyone's face. Be that candle that will bring joy and prosperity for everyone.
Diwali is the festival of lights, and our body is the light of our life. So let's take a pledge. Blast no crackers this Diwali. Instead, let's light up the life of someone in need.
Rest today that you would minimize spending your money on loud and noisy crackers and instead help in bringing lights to the household of those in need. If you want to bring a change to your country, you need to be the change, and this is your first step.
ये दिन जहां में हर कहीं भर दे रोशनी किसी के प्यार की। दिल से वो मिला दे हर चेहरा, वो खिला दे रुत लाए आज खुशियों की। मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली। सारे सितारे उसके दिए हैप्पी दिवाली। मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली। सारे सितारे उसके दिए हैप्पी दिवाली।
I, on behalf of my friends, wish you very happy and safe Diwali.
I would request our dear Nandini Chatri ma'am to share her message on Diwali with us.
दीपों का पर्व दीपावली। जब हम सभी इस दिन खुशियां मना रहे हैं, तो आइए इस दिन, इस शुभ दिन पर हम दिया जलाएं एकता और प्रेम का, जिससे सारी सृष्टि पर सकारात्मकता और आपसी सौहार्द का प्रकाश फैल जाए। इस पावन अवसर पर हम सभी खुशियां मना रहे हैं। इस बात को ध्यान में रखें कि आज जब सारा संसार इस कोरोना नामक महामारी से गुजर रहा है, तो हम सभी का ये कर्तव्य है कि हम अपने ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करें, अपने लिए, अपने परिवार के लिए, समाज के लिए, देश के लिए और सारी संसार के लिए, कि जल्द ही इस संकट से हम सभी मुक्ति पाएं। ईश्वर से कामना करती हूँ कि सफलता आपके कदम चुमे और खुशियाँ आप सभी के आसपास हो। माता लक्ष्मी की कृपा हम सब पर बनी रहे।
Thank you ma'am for such a wonderful message. Now I would request Reverend Sister Surbi, our head mistress, to enlighten us on this festival of light.
Dear sisters, teachers, parents and students, Festivals are symbols of joy and happiness. It brings in a feeling of peace, prosperity, love and kindness. This year's most awaited festival comes at a time when India and rest of the world are facing the worst public health crisis in a country with the COVID-19 pandemic. This pandemic has affected every aspect of our lives. It has slowed down the global economy, leaving millions of people to struggle for livelihood. There are numerous homes where their dear ones have departed from their earthly dwelling. Let the celebration of this Diwali make us compassionate, kind, and affectionate to one another. These challenging times urge us to care for one another and light a candle of hope in their lives. May this Diwali bring you peace and prosperity. May lights triumph over darkness. Peace transcend the earth. The spirit of truth and justice illuminate the world, putting an end to war and violence. May the warmth and splendor of the gleaming diyas add a special grandeur to your life, ushering in social harmony and peace. May the light that we celebrate at Diwali enable you to mend relationships and keep the hope alive in your journey of life. God bless you all. I wish all of you a very happy and prosperous Diwali.
Thank you, sister, for your inspiring words. At times, our own light goes out and is rekindled by a spark from another person. Each of us has a cause to think with deep gratitude of those who have lightened the flames within us. I would like to thank our beloved Principal, Reverend Sister Jyoti, and our Headmistress, Reverend Sister Survi, for giving us an opportunity to conduct the prayer service on the Festival of Lights, Diwali. Further, to all my teachers for their unconditional guidance and support in making this prayer service a successful one. I would like to thank the participants for their valuable participation and full coordination. I would also like to thank all the parents for their constant support and EK members too for uploading the video and looking after its smooth functioning. At last, I would like to end this by saying, this Diwali, let us give thanks for all we hold dear, our health, our family, our friends, and the grace of God that never ends. Once again, thank you one and all.
Let us show that we can celebrate Green Diwali.